In the era of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, technological development has changed and continues to change our lives in many ways. In particular, new modes of transportation such as self-driving cars are developed as we speak. Let's have a brief look at the future modes of transportation. Air mobility. When it comes to future transportation, you probably think of flying cars.
This is called air mobility that includes personal air vehicle (PAV) and urban air mobility (UAM).
PAV is a mode of transportation that allows individuals to fly up in the air. Since they fly in the air, they are called a flying car. Those representative examples of them are drone cars and jet suits. You can drive a drone car as usual, but when you're stuck in a traffic jam, the car can transform into a drone. Also, if you wear a jet suit, you can fly in the air freely. Hyundai Motors revealed their plan to develop a flying car that can fit up to 5 people by 2024.
Urban air mobility (UAM) is an aviation system covering the areas from the development, production,
and sales of PAV to customers driving experiences in the downtown area. PAV refers to the mode of transportation itself.
However, UAM is a system for establishing infrastructure such as taxis, buses, the public traffic network,
and rest stops for airplanes.
Currently in Korea, we are developing air taxis that can be used for public transportation as part of the UAM project.
If we can take the taxi in the future, it will take only 15 minutes in a distance that takes 90 minutes by car. Ground mobility. The future mode of transportation for ground mobility includes Hyperloop and self-driving cars. Hyperloop is a kind of a high-speed train. Trains usually get slower due to the limits of friction since they run on a track. However, a Hyperloop floats over the ground and runs by using the force exerted by magnets when they repel each other in the vacuum status of a tube. Since it can reach speeds of up to 1,220 kilometers per hour, you can get from Seoul to Busan only within 20 minutes. A self-driving car can drive itself without the help of people. It has developed rapidly since core technologies such as deep learning and the Internet of Things emerged in the era of the Fourth Industrial Revolution. Self-driving cars are possible only when cars can understand the complex traffic situations on roads and reflect them in real time. Through deep learning technologies, it's much easier to calculate the number of cases and exchange information between cars and signal systems in real time with the help of the Internet of Things. Prospects on future modes of transport. It is expected that as advanced technologies are applied to both air mobility and ground mobility, they would make our lives more comfortable. However, since accidents can happen anytime and anywhere due to their high speed in the air, we need to have relevant laws and limitations of the technologies.